Hey everyone, I go by the name of Roxy Rose, and this right here is Roxy Rose Guides, cash stuffing of our sinking funds. Yes, for August 2025. Probably part one. I'm probably gonna stuff again. Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back. Y'all, I'm so excited to go ahead and stuff for our sinking funds for the month of August 2025, y'all. And y'all, I truly appreciate you guys coming on this channel and helping me to be debt free. And one way to go ahead and do that is to support this channel. Do likes and subscribes, y'all. Please go down below, like and subscribe. I know you want to. I know you've been seeing some more shorts, some more parts of my video coming out. So I hope that you do, y'all. I'm super excited because, and don't forget to go ahead and look in the description. I got affiliate links that helps to support this channel, support me. And I thank you so much. You are so wanted and appreciated. And I thank you so much for being here. So thank you, y'all. I'm excited because I finally got the go ahead that I'm going to get paid in August. Y'all, if you know anything, I did not get paid in July because I only got 10 months of my paychecks. So I did not get paid in July. I was just saving money hard, just trying to save money hard. But this August, finally, I'm going to get paid by the grace of God. So hopefully by the time this video comes out, I actually am getting paid. So I will be doing another cash stuffing towards the end of this month, but as of now, I'm just using old money that I had gotten out of the bank account previously, and I didn't get a chance to stuff it yet. So let's go ahead and stuff our sinking funds. Okay. So first we got to count the money. You guys like my little Easter egg basket? That's what I've been putting my stuff in. And it seems like everybody has a little caddy now. Everybody has a little caddy that they're using to go ahead and save their stuff. Let me put these to the side. Okay, so we have 100, 200, 300. I'll lay it back here. 50, 400, 50, 500, 50, 600, 50, 700, 50, 800. Okay, 800. 20, 40, 60, 80, 900. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000. Okay, so we have $1,000 here. We only have a few denominations. I did not break up all my denominations like I usually do, but that's okay. I just wanted to make sure we have what we need. So we have hundreds, 50, 20, and 10s. All right, let's go ahead and see. First come, first serve is Pearl. Everybody say hi to Pearl girl. She's just looking glistening and nice as ever. You know what I mean? Okay, so there we got Pearl. Pearl, let's see. First we have our emergency fund. Oh, y'all, I'm super excited to show you guys. Hold on, wait a minute. So, not only did I got something to show you the next video, but y'all remember my prop bills that I made and put, like, you know, little washi tape on top of. I still have these, but I actually made some new prop bills. So we have this $100 bill. We have $200 bills. We have 300. And then 400. So I think I might use these instead of using the 250. That was kind of confusing for everybody, and including me who had to count it. So I'm gonna go ahead and decommission those eventually. The next time I'll probably do a bill exchange and then go ahead and change those bills in here. So I just wanted to show you that. So I'm gonna probably decommission these bills. Womp womp. I really like these, but anyway. So we have that. I'm gonna add another 100 to this, which is 200 in cash, and 250, 350, 450, 550, 650, $6.50 whole. So I think that's why it's kind of confusing to add with the 50s. So I'm gonna just go ahead and decommission those, take those away. We have car maintenance. Car maintenance will get $50. I'm just gonna count the cash. So it is $120. Then we have home reno. Home reno is going to be $20. Then we got vacation. Vacation is going to be another $20. I'm hoping I can go ahead and visit my cousin. So that is something that will be coming up. I'm probably going to need to save just a little bit more, but I'm going to leave it like that for now. And that was a total of $65. And then taxes, y'all. These taxes need money. So I'm at a good $100 to taxes. That's how I got responsible, right? So that's $190. It's my business. It's going to get a good $20. That makes it $70. Business taxes is going to get $50. So that is $140. And YouTube is going to get $20. I went ahead and added something to my YouTube so I could be able to do those clips and different stuff like that. And I'm paying for it, but it's not that expensive, so I'm excited to have that. Anyway, there we go. Pearl is filled up, and that is my high priority sinking funds binder. And there she go, looking fabulous, filling up. Okay. Next, we got Bridget. Bridget, how are you? Okay, Bridget. I pray you're doing lovely. All right. So, Bridget, I got a stuff for Christmas because we got a new baby and a lot of other stuff happening. So, I got a stuff. So, we got 170.82. 182. Then we have holiday. Holiday is going to get $20. I don't know what's the next holiday. It's not Labor Day. It's not like we celebrate Labor Day. But that's fine with me. Whatever the next holiday is, we're going to celebrate it. Then we have birthday. Next birthday is Brooklyn. And then it's mine. So we got 120. Alright, and date night. We just went for our anniversary. Oh, we still got to go ahead. Date night. And go on a date, right? So $80. I think it's good to go on dates. And you know, I just want a new place to eat some food, to be honest. Then we got self-love. Y'all, I took out the actual prop bill for this because I ended up using my credit card to do it. But, y'all, I actually went and got a massage. And it hurt the first few days that I got it done. But now my back is fine. And it took out all the kinks and everything that comes with it. So, y'all, definitely get a massage after having a baby, okay? Because I was tense and stressed out. But now I got that together. And that helped me significantly, okay? So now we have 50 plus 80, which is 140, right? 50. No, 130. All right, then we have hair care, which is $20 in there. So that is $190, $200 for hair care. Then we got Costco, which definitely needs $50 next time I go. I can't wait to go to Costco. That's going to be $125 and fill up and get what we need to. Y'all, these groceries have been so expensive. I thought gas was going to get us, but gas has been fine. It's been pretty normal. These groceries are too much. So we really have to come up with like a new budget for groceries to try to make sure we're not spending too much because groceries are wild. And we have shopping. Shopping, I want to put a good $20 into shopping. And then gifts, I'm going to put $10. Oh, I didn't show you shopping because there's nothing in there. It's only the $20 I put in. Gifts, I got $70, $90. Let's support, I got $10. That's $130. And let's support, I took out a little bit of money because I actually supported some channels by buying some, supported some people on Etsy by buying some savings challenges, which you'll see in the next video. So stay tuned to the next video so you can see what I purchased. Okay. And now we're going to say bye to Bridget. See you later. Enjoy your extended holiday. You know, Europe, they have their summer holiday vacation and extra holiday during the year. So that's what they do. I wish we did that. And then we have Brooklyn's binder. Brooklyn is going to get some money because her birthday is coming up. So Brooklyn's gets $50. And $230. Brooklyn has her care, which are diapers. It's all diapers, which is $240. Y'all saw me took out from this for the first time in the last unstuffing video. But yeah, it's about that time. And then family fun. I thought I had another 20, but I'm going to put this 10 in here. It's going to be for family fun. Actually, I'm going to put both these 10s. So family fun. That's what we're going to do for... Hold on. Okay, so that's 50, 70, 80, 90, 100. Oh, here's 20. 122. Okay, that's perfectly fine. Okay. And then we gotta go to Caleb. That ended up being a baby boy. Thank you again for the kind comments that you guys left me. I appreciate it. So it's $250 for baby boy. He didn't get as much as Brooklyn for the baby shower, but the amount of stuff that he got, the amount of clothes, everything was intentional, and I think that is really helpful. And a lot of the things were intentional for Brooklyn that we have reused, and it's really helped us with this baby. So I'm super excited. I'm happy. Right now we're trying to stretch out and use all of the newborn clothes so that when they get to the 0-3 months, he can floss out, okay? Because we can actually take him places. Okay, so here you get 100, 200, 50, 70. Adding that for baby care for this new baby. He gonna need some new diapers soon. Then we have maternity leave. I'm putting $100 for maternity leave. I might have to end up using this for some hospital bills though. Got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 50. I might have to use this for hospital bills. But if anything, I can always use this to help me if the bills get a little higher and I need to definitely pay some stuff back. I can definitely do that. All right, y'all. Well, all the sinking funds are filled up. You got the high priority binder, the low priority binder, and both of my children's binders that I use to save us money for the year or upcoming things that we really need to save for. So I'm super excited, super glad we're able to save. All the money's gone. And these children are going to have some things, you know what I'm saying? So I'm super excited. Just know coming up, if there's any lag in any... Well, there shouldn't be any lag in the new videos. But if there is, I'm probably waiting and making sure that by the time you guys see these videos, I've gotten to a bill exchange or something to take money back to the bank. Okay? Anyway, I'm so glad that you guys could join us today to go ahead and fill those sinking funds. you guys have a blessed and amazing and wonderful August. Ooh, I wanted to try something. Let's see if you guys enjoy this. So I have this book. It's called 52 Lists for Happiness. And it was like a journal. So what I'm going to do is just kind of like flip to a page and see if we can add this to our little, stuff that we do. And basically reflect on some things as we go forward. Okay? Maybe we can go ahead and do it together and put it into the chat. Let's see if we can do that. Okay, so number 1. In the comments, I want you to list what makes you happy right now. Like, what is something that makes you happy? It could be something about budgeting or finances. It could be something in your life. Go ahead and leave a comment. What is something that makes you happy? Okay. So these are some things I put before what makes me happy. So maybe you guys can add some things to the comments, and we're going to keep adding to the list of happiness as we continue with Roxy Rose Guides. Please go ahead and like and subscribe. Take care. God bless, and have an amazing August. Roxy Rose out.